China is pushing the boundaries of luxury travel with an ambitious new motorhome project that looks unlike anything we've seen before. From the outside, it resembles a modern mansion mounted on a heavy-duty truck chassis rather than a conventional RV. Its enormous size, panoramic glass, and multi-level design immediately capture attention. But according to reports, the real innovation isn't the exterior. It's what the engineers are creating inside. Their goal is simple: build a luxury home that can travel anywhere. As you step inside, the atmosphere changes completely. Instead of narrow walkways and compact furniture, the entrance opens into a spacious interior designed with the feel of a high-end apartment. Warm ambient lighting, premium finishes, and carefully planned architecture create an immediate sense of comfort. Every detail appears designed to make you forget you're inside a vehicle. The heart of the motorhome is its impressive living room. Large sofas replace the small seating areas found in traditional RVs, while floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light. Imagine parking beside a mountain lake or overlooking the coastline and enjoying those views without leaving your sofa. This isn't simply somewhere to sit. It's designed to be the center of everyday life on the road. Looking closer, the craftsmanship becomes even more impressive. Soft lighting highlights elegant materials. Built-in furniture blends seamlessly into the architecture, and hidden storage keeps the room clean and uncluttered. The designers appear to have focused on creating a calm, luxurious environment rather than filling every corner with unnecessary features. The dining area continues the residential theme. Instead of a fold-away table, this space offers a proper dining experience where family and friends can comfortably share meals together. Surrounded by panoramic windows, every breakfast, lunch, or dinner comes with a different view depending on where the journey takes you. The kitchen is equally impressive. Long worktops, modern cabinetry, and integrated appliances make it feel more like a contemporary home than a recreational vehicle. Hidden storage is built throughout the design, allowing owners to prepare full meals while keeping everything organized. For anyone traveling long distances, a kitchen like this would make life on the road far more enjoyable. Then comes the feature that has attracted the most attention: the elevator. Engineers are reportedly developing a compact lift that connects the lower and upper levels of the motorhome. It may sound unusual, but it also serves a practical purpose. An elevator would improve accessibility, making the upper floor easier to reach for older travelers, families, and anyone carrying luggage. It would also become one of the most unique features ever introduced into a luxury motorhome. The upper floor continues the same premium design language. Wide corridors, soft lighting, and large windows create an atmosphere that feels quiet and private. Instead of climbing into a cramped sleeping area, owners would enter a space that feels remarkably similar to the upper floor of a luxury home. The master bedroom has been designed with comfort in mind. A full-size bed sits at the center of the room, surrounded by elegant furniture and carefully integrated storage. Large windows bring the outside world into the room, allowing owners to wake up to mountain views one day and a peaceful lakeside the next. It's a level of comfort rarely seen inside any road-going vehicle. Storage has clearly been given high priority. Large wardrobes and built-in cabinets provide enough room for extended travel without making the bedroom feel crowded. This suggests the vehicle is intended for people who may spend weeks or even months traveling, rather than simply taking weekend holidays. The bathroom follows the same philosophy. Premium fixtures, spacious layouts, and elegant finishes replace the compact wet room design found in most motorhomes. Every detail is intended to make daily routines feel as comfortable as they would at home. Beyond the bedroom, another lounge provides additional space to relax, read, or simply enjoy the scenery. Having multiple living areas means passengers can spread out instead of sharing one room throughout the journey. It transforms the motorhome into a genuine home rather than just a place to sleep. The designers also appear to be including a dedicated workspace. As more people choose remote work and long-term travel, having a comfortable office inside the vehicle could become one of its most valuable features. Fast internet, comfortable seating, and a peaceful environment would allow business to continue from almost anywhere. Entertainment is another important part of the design. A dedicated media space with comfortable seating would make evenings just as enjoyable as the destinations themselves. Whether watching films, spending time with family, or simply relaxing after a long drive, the motorhome becomes more than transport. It becomes the destination. As night falls, the interior takes on a completely different atmosphere. Warm ambient lighting reflects throughout the rooms, creating a cozy environment that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. It's easy to imagine parking beneath a sky full of stars while enjoying the comfort of a beautifully designed home. Of course, building a vehicle like this presents enormous engineering challenges. Supporting multiple levels, residential furniture, and even an elevator requires careful weight management, advanced suspension, and powerful energy systems. Everything must remain safe and reliable while traveling thousands of kilometers on public roads. If the project reaches completion, it could redefine expectations for luxury motorhomes around the world. Instead of simply making RVs larger, Chinese engineers appear to be rethinking what mobile living can become. A vehicle like this isn't designed for ordinary camping. It's designed for people who want to take the comfort of a luxury home wherever they go. The question now is whether projects like this represent the future of luxury travel. Would you choose a motorhome with multiple floors, residential living spaces, and its own elevator, or would you still prefer a more traditional luxury RV? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering extraordinary motorhomes and incredible homes on wheels, don't forget to subscribe to Homes That Move for more amazing tours from around the world.